Welcome back. In part 2 of this demonstration, you'll continue by exploring how to configure the next stage of the workflow. Next, configure the exclusive gateway and define its logic. For the match branch, select the respective branch connected to the exclusive gateway. Navigate to the Properties panel. Go to Conditions, click the Tune selector, and open the Expression Editor. In the Expression Editor, specify vars.boolmatch, which is the output from the previous RPA process. Similarly, configure the mismatch branch by navigating to the Conditions, clicking the Tune selector, and opening the Expression Editor. Specify the expression, which is the output from the previous RPA process. While writing the expression, use Ctrl plus space key combination to see the list of available options, and select the bool match variable from the previous RPA process. This condition evaluates to true when the PO does not match. You can also leverage autopilot by entering a natural language description of the expression into the text input field at the bottom of the expression editor. Note that generating expressions using text prompts requires a sufficient number of autopilot actions available in your tenant. If any paths are missing or left as default, the system will flag them as warnings in the validation panel. Selecting a warning or error in the panel provides more context and directs you to the source of the issue. Let's now configure the next agent. Select Create Action App Task as the action and configure it with the previously developed app project, in this case, Invoice Review and Approval. Next, specify the task title. And in the additional parameters, set the priority. Then, pass the required input arguments, such as agent summary, invoice file name, and PO file name. You can also add an additional output variable to the task. To do this, click Add Variable, specify the variable name, choose its type, string, number, Boolean, etc., and optionally provide a default value. Click Save. Once saved, the variable becomes available for use in inputs, outputs, or expressions within the task. Great! Your configuration is now complete. This brings us to the end of part 1 of the demonstration. Thank you for watching.